For today's magic video, we will be using the B Club Special Blue playing cards. Pick a card, any card. Your card is the Queen of Spades. I'm going to cut it into the middle of the deck. And if I snap my fingers, one card has changed color. But that card is not just any card. It's your card, the Queen of Spades. We're going to place that card down on the table. And now can you just say stop? Whoops. That's your card, the 10 of Diamonds. We're going to put the 10 of Diamonds back in the deck, and there's going to be another card changing color. Wait, what? What? Why aren't there any other red cards? Wait, there's one other red card. Whoa! How'd you do that? To learn it, stick around for the tutorial. Hi guys, today we're going to be learning a trick called the Chicago Opener, or the Red Hot Mama. So, this trick is a really good trick. It's basically a color changing trick, and what you will need for this trick is two decks that have the same back design, but different colors. For this tutorial, we're going to be using the B Diamond back cards. This is what the box looks like. You might have them lying around. But basically, the backs have to be the same. So, as you can see, the back are the same, except they have different colors. So you're going to want that, because you can also just use bicycle backs, but I like using these B backs because I have them. But bicycle backs are fine also, but make sure they're of the same, pips, I'd say, because one of this is jumbo and one of this is normal. You're going to want both of the same size, like these two. So, now let's get into the setup of the trick. You have one indifferent card from the same back deck, and you have your normal color deck. So we're going to be using the full blue deck for this normal deck. And what you're going to do is you're going to look at the card from the other deck, and you're going to go through the deck that is not the same color as this indifferent card. And you're going to look for the same card. So the one we're using is the 10 of Diamonds. I'm going to go through this deck and look for the 10 of Diamonds. Okay, so the 10 of Diamonds, it is right here. So, what you're going to do is you're going to have your 10 of Diamonds that corresponds with the deck, and you're going to put that right on the bottom. Then you're going to put your 10 of Diamonds that doesn't correspond with the deck and put that right on the bottom. So your setup should be the whole deck, regular 10 of Diamonds, and a different 10 of Diamonds. Keep in mind, it doesn't have to be 10 of Diamonds. I'm just going to use that for today's video. So, give the deck a shuffle. That's a weird side shuffle. Oh, God. So, yeah. When you're going to start off the trick by having the spectator just reach out and touch a card. And it's a free choice. You can either see it or you can not see it. For this one, we're going to see it's the 9 of Clubs. Just place that 9 of Clubs onto the top and just leave it there. But then you're going to take about half the deck, place it down on the table. You don't need a table for this trick. I just like using a table. Or you can just swing cut and just cut the deck. Alright? If you were paying attention, you might realize that now your bottom indifferent card, the red card, 10 of Diamonds, is above their selection. So, spread out the cards on your table, or just fan them out, and then spread over to the indifferent card and say, oh look, there's a card that's a different color. Take every card above the indifferent card and put it under the deck. So, I spread out the cards, I see the indifferent card right there, I take all of this, place it under this. What that does is that puts the regular 10 of Diamonds on the bottom, so you can do a little force. So I'll teach that after. So, you have your 10 of Diamonds and then the selection, different 10 of Diamonds. What you're going to do is you're going to get a pinky break under the second to top card. You can do this any way you want. You can do a pinky count. You can just riffle off the side, the back. You have your pinky break. You do the double lift. They're amazed. And it's their card. flip it back over so it seems red, and just place it down on the table. Don't have them look at it, because then it's going to be your 10 of diamonds. Your 10 of diamonds is on the table right now. So then I'm going to do a little force. This is the force I usually do when I do this trick. It's called the Hindu shuffle force. That was a little false cut right there. So 10 diamonds still on the bottom. Hindu shuffle force is basically, you're going to need to know the Hindu shuffle, which I'll teach you right now. It's really simple. All you got to do is take your middle finger and your thumb and just pull packets of cards off the top of the deck. It's really easy. And you might see that the bottom card stays the same each time. So just start Hindu shuffling and tell them to say stop. And once they say stop, show them the bottom card, because that bottom card is going to be your force card, the 10 of diamonds. So put that packet back on the top, and then spread out the cards and say, like, oh, there's another red card, but then there isn't. So spectator feels accomplished because you messed up, but you really didn't mess up. You just actually did something right. So you say, oh, there's no other red card, but there's only one other red card within like 5 feet of me. Point to the red card on the table and flip it over to be their second selected card. Now that's amazing. That's first good thing about the trick. But let's say you don't have a table. What I usually do is I have the spectator, once I do like the reveal, let's say their card was the Jack of Clubs, it's on top right now. I have my red card on top because I just separated the packs. And I do my double lift and I say, okay, so I don't have a surface. Can you just place the red Jack of Clubs in your pocket? So they're convinced it's the Jack of Clubs. And they can't really take it out during the performance to look at it because all their attention's on you. So that's basically the tutorial for the Chicago opener. And thank you for watching.